Hi, Ate Kat!
Happy birthday to
Happy
you.
birthday!
As
Happy
in,
birthday! Good morning.
mayong adlaw.
We would like to dedicate you a special song because you're special to us for your
Very
special
special
day.
one.
Ayun. So this song is entitled Won't Last a Day Without You. Hope you like it.
Bahalag acapella lang.
Kapil lang sa amin para
Oro
maklaro
din
mong
yung
golden
makayanan.
voice. Ayun.
Okay.
Go lang. 1, 2, 3, go. Day after day, I must face the world of strangers where I don't belong. I'm not that strong. It's nice to know that there's someone I could turn to who would always care, who will always there when there's no getting over that rainbow. When my smallest of dreams won't come true, I can't take all the madness the world has to give, but I won't last a day without you. So many times when the city seems to be without a friendly face, a lonely place. It's nice to know that you'll be there if I need you, and you always smile. It's all worthwhile when there's no getting over that rainbow. When the smallest of dreams won't come true, I can't take all the madness the world has to give, but I won't last a day without you. Touch me and I end up singing. Trouble seems to often disappear. You touch me with your love you've given. I can really lose when you're near. When you're near, my love, if all my friends have forgotten, have their promises, they're not unkind, just hard to find. Well, look at you, and I know that I could learn to live without the rest. I found a bed when there's no getting over that rainbow. When the smallest of dreams won't come true. I can't take all the madness the world has to give, but I won't last a day without you. Won't last a day without you.
Yun. Si Julia una mag-message nga na won't last a day without
Okay.
you daw.
Won't last a day without you, Ate Kat. It's because,
Oh my God. TVI.
um, um, at the very end of the day, sa mga kuan ng mga kaligot-got sa mga dughan, sa mga nagtipunog ng mga concerns, where aside sa among communication kay Lord, aside sa comfort nga mahatag ni Lord sa among you are one of those persons nga kanang mo-open na namo in times of happiness, in times of trouble, and and that day is kanang murag a very special or a very kanang satisfying day nga masturya ka namo kanang maka-open up ni sa imo. So and as said from the lyrics of the one of the lyrics of the song, kanang if all our friends have forgotten half their promises, you are there. So kanang you are a very special ate. You have been our second mother to us, and mother and slash ate slash tita ayon slash sister. So you've been a very um you gave a very big help sa among pag-grow sa community sa YFC. So in your special day, we want to we want you to know that you are very very special to us,
And we always treasure those moments nga kanang spare jud kag time para sa amo isa-isa nga iwan-tuwan jud mi nimo pa so that you may know our concerns ang i-update nimo kami bisan sa ako nga part nga kanang dili tuod ko PCG pero ako imo kong gi-nurture imo jud kong gi pamper jud ko nimo as your member and as your manghod sa YFC. So again, Ate, happy birthday, and I really love you so much. I really owe you for everything, and love.
Ako na po. Hello po.
Wala ko na siya. Ding, 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 ding.
Really, happy birthday, Ate Kat. It's really, I won't last a day. It's not that I won't last a day without you. It's I won't last my life without you. It's because naiiyak na ako. Ayoko. It's because you've done many things into my life, and I thank God for giving you to me. It's always every day I'm thanking God for giving you to me as my ate, as my mentor, as my advisor, as kaning kasi dili ko mahimong ani karon without you. I thank God for giving you as the instrument nga kanang ma-change ko. I thank God for giving you to my life kasi kahit gahi ko og gulo kasi kahit um kanang usahay dili ta ka paminawon, dili na ako i-take imong advices, kanang wala ka ni give up sa ako bisan ni give up na ang mga tao sa akong family sa ako halos tanan tao sa palibot ni give up na, but you're still there, and that's why I really thank God for giving you to me, and all kaning in this special day, I know nga layo ta, and I haven't seen you for a month, and I miss you very very much. Kabalo si Juliana nga gimingaw na gid kay ko sa imuha. Pero te kanang I know nga, and sorry po di ay kasi dili ko kayo mo text, dili ko kayo mo makig-communicate, dili ko kayo mo chat sa Facebook. But you're always be in my heart kasi I know nga kanang bisag layo ka, you are thinking of us kung naunsa na mi, and kanang bisan og gani layo ka, I know nga you always minimo nga gina-pray, and rest assured po te nga bisan og layo ka, we are also praying for you, for your health, for your safety, and we always want the best for you, Ate Kat. That's why we always pray the best for you. Kabalo na sa among gina-pray.
Yeah.
Love life. Love life for this year. Yun, tama na itong kuan. Sige.
Dito scripted ha.
Hope
Pag
to
ito
see
siya.
you soon, Ate Kat, sa ILC, or sana before ILC, sana before ka mo fly to Manila, sana magkita sa atin. And for this day, I know you're gonna spend your whole day with your family. God bless to you, and rest assured, I'm quite a good girl. I'm
Right.
quite a good girl. Julia knows that. And yun, happy birthday again, Ate Kat. I love you. Martha.
Happy birthday, Ate Kat. We love you so much. Love.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.